Hey folks, Technivorous here. Welcome to the Technivorous channel. If this is your first time here, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button. Here we go over all things 3D printing, from tutorials to demonstrations to assembly videos and things of that nature. So make sure that you smash that button and you'll get notified every time we post a new video. So what is a Technivore? Well, a Technivore is somebody who sees something technological and instantly has to have it, has to hold it in their hands, has to get their screwdriver kit out and take it apart, and wants to know how it works. Anything technological that just grabs your attention, pulls you in, and makes you have to know how it works, those are the things that drive us here on the Technivorous channel. So one of the most beautiful things about technology is the way in which it can be incorporated with other things, and a perfect example of that is, say, a 3D printer and a Raspberry Pi setup with Octoprint. That's just one way that we like to take a look at all of the angles of the tech and see what we can do to make using it easier, quicker, better, more efficient, or just more fun. So if you think that you're a Technivore, you're welcome to join us. We'd be happy to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and stick around, because we have a lot more coming at you right now on the Technivorous channel. The video you're looking at here is actually a perfect demonstration of blending two technologies that I love and actually incorporating a third. So in this video, you're going to get a demonstration of how I use an FDM printing process to leave a cavity that I later fill with resin from a resin printer and cure in a resin printing curing machine. So I'm using both the plastic from the resin machine and the FDM machine. And I'll tell you, the process I used still needs a little bit of work. I'm going to try it a couple more times, but I am happy with the results, and if you'd like to see more, you're definitely going to have to hit subscribe and watch that video when it comes out. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I'm Technivorous, and we'll see you in the next one.